off by applying a long-wearing concealer or primer on the eyelids and set it with your favorite setting powder. Next, pick a neutral flesh tone eyeshadow and apply that above your crease as a transition shade. Then apply a purple base. This one is a waterproof jumbo pencil that is creamy and sets itself. Apply this to the outer and inner corners of the lid, leaving the center blank. Blend this out with your finger or a dense blending brush. Next, take a warm coral shade and blend out the edges. This will infuse the purple base and the transition shade to appear seamless. Take a vibrant shimmery purple on a dense brush and pack that on the outer and inner corners over the purple base to set it. With no extra product, blend out the edges of the purple into the transition shade. Next, mix a shimmery pink and gold shadow on a tapered blending brush and apply that to the center of the eyelid for that pop. This will catch the light at different angles and give the eyes some dimension. Deepen the outer and inner corners with that bright purple again to add contrast. The next step is optional. You can leave the eyes as is or add a small wing or a big one if you prefer, just remembering to take your time and work in smaller strokes to achieve a seamless line. Take the purple base and apply it across the lower lash line. Make sure to give it a good blend. Tap on the shimmery purple eyeshadow over the purple base to set it again. Pop on a shimmery pink pale shade to the inner corners with a pencil brush. Using any black waterproof eyeliner, tightline the bottom and upper lash line, making sure no flesh peeks through. Carefully apply the shimmery purple onto the lower waterline. If you have a shimmery purple eyeliner, you can use that instead. Apply your favorite mascara to the top and bottom lashes and feel free to add some falsies for some drama. Now for the lips, outline them with a pinky red lip liner, then fill in with a medium rosy lipstick. Then apply a beige nude lipstick to the center and top it off with a pale pink shimmery gloss for fullness and plump. And that finishes this Spotlight Purple makeup tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.